At least 16 senators them, according to Toriwe, they enter for we ear. They don't deny position them for board chairman as well the one she done for inside Senate House. This one na Toriwe enter for we ear for that side so for Yawende. Sabi say na today it is so way they get for make senator them official they should don't touch their chair where they will dig them that their badge. So 16 for them, they don't deny for say they no go be board chair for any company where they don't ever should don't for inside. They want concentrate for Senate Palava. We go talk that chapter. Now so too we go tell you now as we small picking lawyer them one day they be write exam then they fail. They don't make mash this sometime. Now for that side, so for Yawende. Now for Sika waiting. For Sika say they talk say exam with the right and with plenty people they fame. Now big pasha. But Sabi say police people they say they be dead for say waiting make they stop the people them make them don't make mash. Then Tori to the enter we here. For that side, so for Ashinkong, it means in a St. Bede's College, say it is so principal where they be TV since for Monday, where they call it say Reverend Father Nibam. Last, they don't let Reverend Father Niba. According to Toriwe, he enter for we here. Big part talk for this afternoon, it tell we say when OH, he wants to catch Boma tree, he go start now for he branch them. I say when OH, he wants to start catch Boma tree, now with the branch, you go see as way he go the 411. Now that time you go sabi say OH, he don't touch Boma tree. Now you where they call you say Tungwe Isidore for that side for Angola man for Lower Muyam. Now you send with big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon for outside day. Tori for this afternoon we go begin first. Now it is chapter for waiting Labor Day where it pass for inside the whole country. Be then a number 1 day for inside the very moon. Inside Tori for Labor Day we go begin now for that side for inside Douala here SSF. Make we take on a go for place for Beseke. Now for the way Angando SSF it be passed yesterday. Governor Samuel Dodone Dibois, it be there for before the one. Musanga SSF, it be there for people that way they don't talk, say they don't do correct work for inside country here, as well they give plenty of them Musanga for give them congratulate for inside the better work where they don't do them. Even politicians and SSF, they be there, gendarme people and SSF security, it be tana for the fine. As well people they start march. After the Ngando, as well the talk, now over march, people they march pass, but Sabi say work people them, they dis also cry, say condition where they take work, no be na better condition. They dis also beg Ngomna them, say me Ngomna is see as well if he help them for inside chapter so for work. Sabi say plenty people they cry, say they work for place and way they so they be get for give them plenty mono, but mono you know they ever enter for their hand. All the one then so now they can't cry the way deep people there they be the make mash for that side so for Beseke. Before governor says they talk say waiting all thing it must to turn a fine as well they talk say condition for work it must to be. Sabi say part 1 for the Ngando as well talk. It concern na people them for Musanga. Yes, they begin the Musanga na part 1 for Ngando for Beseke. After we police woman then they carry the Musanga then go giam. They put them for all people them where they get for take Musanga. After that one, na way mash. It pass for that side so for Beseke. But Sabi say Kamamburu then to the bidede. Shine their eye for say make any kind of confusion in no pass for that side so for Beseke. Now, Sabi say we if they ever go for look far away, make we try enter now so for corner side in the way pass. Now some work people then that, now they will come back for that first photo them, for some work people them, where it is so normal, they are come be the mash. Them the tenant na say no not to know the pass. Even this young boy where he dey for on top bicycle, he make people them for Beseke. They say chai. Now so people they sabi for inside Cameroon. The boy on top bicycle, he show people them as waiting. He make a bicycle thing. Police people they say after sun don't knock them. See where they go hide. Now for the way police people then say they go hide. As well they do it in. They want time. Yes. Now the other makombi them where they only turn up. See now other people them. The one then son don't knock them so they will know them. Mami, he then up on top, he tingni, e dey try for see as we country dey waka for inside social media, WhatsApp, and this other part demand. So now so the thing e be pass for that side. So for Beseke, for corner side 1. Corner side number 2. Now people the way they march, they the 4. Yes. I say now people the way they march, they the 4. And if no be gendarme, police and army rescue people they way they carry down gun, they run go for corner side. Other people they for surely only can pass waka on top his skin. They wholly press and they say, wake up, fine, wake up, they put you for down. According to Toriwe enter for we ear, Congo side talk now say the sick that sick way they call and say asthma. Yes, Congo side tell we say the sick that sick way they call and say asthma. Now for sika why that way, as we be the march, he fall for down. One time, they put in for inside moto. Win one. Who side they take and go? Hospital. So it means say he no dreaming bo, he no chop, he no chop fowl, he no dance as he come be them. So it means that a company where the work they get for pay back all money, understand? Because he seek a cash where they be the match. Yes, not that. Says he for seek a cash as where they be the match. So as we seek a cash, he no chop fowl, he no chop egg, he no chop rice, he no chop yam, he no chop pepper soup, he no chop anything where they cook. So company or na which way the work, he get for look the other side. As we no enjoy, other enjoy. They get for give own enjoy. Yes, they get for give own enjoy. I tell you, I say my eye, it be the look far away. My eye, it be the look far away. I know be the look now only for match pass. As I be say match pass, all thing the pass fine. But for corner side, thing they be the pass. Ambulance. Now he carry that one, he enter for one side. So that one, now one. That one so now one side for inside this palaver so-called people. Now one side that 40 way pass for Beseke March Place where they be glad. Number 1 day for the moon 2018. We go so remain for inside Beseke. Plenty thing the day we una go see. I say plenty. So for Beseke, una need for see as way people they sabi for make disorder. They be feel say na only primary school picking the way they feel make the kind of disorder. Police and gendarme they hear bad. I say they hear bad for control the people there for that side for Beseke for March. All man he want turn up for number 1 line. I say all man. Police the whole sote we no day. I say we no day for police people there yesterday. See as well they cover the whole route. They say make people they respect commandeer. I say police they turn up so now so they look place. Their eye they turn for inside. Now so population too for what people them. Sabi say Douala na economic capital. So what people they come up plenty now so police and say they confused. What people they only can push see that one. Una go for back now wait. They push all people they be both side. Sabi say what people then they over plenty say pass the police with them for that side. So confusion for who get for go march, who no get for go march. Now one thing that competition, hey mama mia. Now me I get for march first. No na so the police then the last tire see repe don't tire. Oh, we no day for you again for talk. You understand? So all that one then so. Then I don't show on the front no. That front so on a sia. On a level, on a she don't quiet. Nadine, more go for back. Yes, more go for back. See, on a see the thing where they for back. Now people then this way police will they be get for controller. You see population. Now the one where if some bad man just cancel throw a bomb so for here, poor. You go here and say people they don't die. I say all man it be the only how they say one go march. Sometimes it be a police they no be fit for control again. All man he always start the pass na pass. He push see population. You see so when they fear say something bad way if it happen, they start run them They start run one time. They start climbing up on top this side. Say make something no go happen for front then mash on top people. So other thing. They say better. They say prevention is better. Say better they prevent some kind of thing. All people they start run. They take control. See them. They run past. They talk say no, this kind of one so something fit happen. People they start fall for down. See population when I see them. All man if you want go march. All man if you want go march. When I no ask ambassador, say ambassador how you manage do all the kind of thing. Make una no worry. We will get people there. When we get people there for them, they be the look place. Ambassador I say be the look place. See population for Douala for workplace them where they come for can march. You see the population now work people then that way all them so they come and say they can march country people them. It be bad na bad. I say waiting, it be bad na bad. As well population become what? Population come see am. Throw a bomb for you now so you go here better it go happen. They go tell say 1,000 people they don't die. See am. See as well they take control no. All man they take control the wrong go. All man they take control the wrong go. Take control the wrong go. Now for Sika the team where they fear say stampede as well they call am. May it no happen. They kind of place small thing fit happen for front. All man staff here. Other people they mash so better. May put the wrong go them. So now the thing that for inside place where they march for Beseke. Now man I think we go work as small now. I want to say make we give clap for Peter Mafane Musonge in a commission for bilingualism. At least they don't do better thing. For Beseke, it is say no Douala Premier May, small more worker. It is say fine. Douala 1st May, correct. Ebidena bilingualism side. Fête internationale du travail, correct. They put even the front talk for day for French, all thing for day is correct. And for French, all thing correct. 132 edition. Very good. The one you know end for day. International Labor Day. Front talk for under. Okay, man, I did stop small for yes more. More stop small for year. Voila. 132. No be na 132 tet. No. Now 130 second. No be na 20 or 30 132 tet. 132 tet. Now the thing that they mean for the banner. Then edition no get a sang. I say waiting. Edition it no get a sang for day. So people the way they work the work, they do am fine. No, the one they fine. The one no get complaint. Now the one this way get complaint for English. 130 second. No be na 30 second text. You understand? No be na 30 second text. Now edition no be na e with a sang for day. So when una want go do some work sometime, una find una brother too in a anglophone. Look the thing whether it correct, no go do a no do and fine. So now the mistake than that. Very good. We congratulate. Say bilingualism it is show small. Yes, bilingualism it is show small. But mistake they make one man not take the money chopper. You understand? Make one man he not take money chopper before Sika say no one share. He want she don't do the kind of mistake there. The kind of mistake he no fine for do am. We go left Douala, we enter for Mungo division, so for inside littoral region. Now for Konsamba, where all work people they meet up. But Sabi say you know if you talk Konsamba, where you know talk palava coffee for inside Konsamba. Now the people that they go work that coffee them. Sabi say first time when you want talk say Mungo division, they go talk say oh better coffee day. Now all the farmer people that they work that coffee, but now so it don't bad. I say it don't bad. Since we plenty place the way they look at the coffee, then I has the liver coffee, it don't lock. No, not to know the pass. Moto they say they don't spoil rotten, she don't for day. So now so Mungo division no get that color again. But on top all the one them, work people they be so do their big day. And big man say for inside Mungo for Mungo division Ezio. Now he did it. He see as we all the work people them make mash for that side. And all them too they so cry say condition for work na be their problem. Condition for work na be their problem. Oh. They talk for Nkunkuma say make the better them. Even the people there they give water, they waste water now so for road. People they know they drink water, but yesterday they show people them water. Even our brother them after na item 11 for inside place them. You understand? Now item 11 for different places. So now so the palava pass for that side so for Mungo division. Now so for inside littoral. Jacquino Mulum it be put in microphone for some one man him up. And the thing where Jacquino Mulum ask now see make it tell we whether the Trump talk for big day for what people the way pass for number 1 day. It makes sense. Make we hear you.
Today, we know fit say that thing the water. Because if it be the water, like we know we talk about. All enterprise, they don't make social dialogue. Or we get dialogue way for inside enterprise. We talk, they know the answer we. Chief for enterprise, then they talk. That's also them thing where they want to where the past. We know fit say dialogue society. And for that we don't choose that term this year. You know say country, if a country no work now for say some people then they can make bad report. Then they send people for go arrange team for inside industry. Then they come, then they tell that them on. Then go get another report. And so we tell say, think they know the worker must be worker. Fancy change. Fancy send people away. Then fit talk to way fine.
Very good. So he believes say the Trump talk, he know the show at all. Another person where Jackie no be putting microphone for him. Obi-Wan Sabi, wait away really one time, say men governor, he do for work people then for country. Make we hear.
I say make government, because some people in their working condition where they work is not correct. And so government now, they get to see the money where people they earn. They get to see people their health. Yeah. And people they are picking them for go school. Now all that kind of thing they want to say make government, they do for we.
They don't talk from governor say waiting, main governor try for see as we go look out palava for money where they pay them for people the way they work for inside country. But Sabi say then Gando for that side, so for Mungo division where it happen from Konsamba, when na for place where all work people they be meet up for say me they glad their big day, it no be pass with small enjoyment. Make we see the country dance way it ever happen for all sour them and even Bakosi people then say make we see. Now the small dancer where people them for Mungo division they enjoy them for Konsamba we work people they meet up for for glad their big day. For that side so from Kambe too, now for Norway side, they mash, it be happen fine. For that side so from Kambe, as we work people then say for that side so they work under their own place. It be then a big glad for side from Kambe for Norway's region. Sabi say na one of the place in that or one of the for Norway's na place and we plenty place people them they defame for Sika this palava for Norway's and Southwest but work people them they become them plenty for that side and just for Sabi say for inside Kambe they become them plenty for make their mash in the proper but the thing will be sweet population from Kambe side now when some company yes people them for Jerry says they come out everything make they come do their match make we see as well this one a pass. With the same side so for salute all people them for that side so from Kambe, even as with the country, it is some kind, they become out to me they glad that big day for work day, even you yourself, Ta Gerard Ngala, where you yourself will be strong man for inside this palava. Now so we go left palava for Labor Day, we be sorry say that accident way or the fireway cash for that side for Limbe with the hearsay for side for Victoria since for morning time. Now light, it don't the loss, come back, and internet, you know they stand up straight. So that image for that side, so for fireway born picking for inside house or Bonadikombo, we go surely get them for morning time when I turn back for years. So for that Sikada fire, we no go fit forget and so tomorrow make una wait, we go talk that palabam in the proper. Sabi say fire, it be born some picking for inside house. For that side, so for mile 4 Bonadikombo. For second light, we don't the loss go on, last the go the cam. Link the people them, internet, in not turn out straight. So tomorrow we go come back with that image for Limbe site. Make we take on a go Yawende, where small picking lawyer them, one day they be write exam, they be come out today for go for before minister for justice office. Now for say waiting, they talk saying a big patcham where it be passed for their exam where they be write them. Sabi say that exam it be passed now inside last moon. And for this exam, plenty people that they where they no be passed, and they picking them, the lawyer the way they talk say they no be passed. Most of the lawyer they talk say the way where they be take mark that exam, no be now the correct way, saying a big patch way be passed. For Sika that one, the lawyer them, they be come out this time, they say they be make their mash. They go for before Ministry for Justice for that side so for Yawende. But Sabi say police people themselves, they be come out them plenty for see as well they go stop the lawyer people them, make them no make that and mash so this early morning time. Sabi say the lawyer people them they vex now for Sika waiting for Sika say na big patcha where they be make them for exam where they just write them. Sabi say plenty of the lawyer them they fail that exam. Now for Sika why that way it dey so for inside this palava they be talk say waiting mash before Ministry for Justice it must to pass. And Sabi say Oga Laurent is so said if you don't talk say na fat lie big pom say pacha it no be pass for exam with lawyer people they write them. But Sabi say na for Sika that vex with lawyer people them they come out enter so for road to them for march go for before Ministry for Justice for that side so for Yawende. We go remain for inside Yawende for so talk different thing. Make we enter back for inside Senate. By tomorrow we go get a better image and we come up for that side as waiting the pass. But just sabi to say for inside Senate house now today where they get for give Senate people them their small badge for their skin for talk say true una be na senator. But sabi say today the thing we go pass for them na palava thing with this parliament be talk Senator Henry Kemende we be talk say some people they them where they shit on for inside the house where they get na two chair them where they don't shit on top. For Sika that one commission be there where they be form for say may they look inside senator them where they get two salary them it means say that they work under governor then they don't come again for be senator where it means say they go also take another money. And the Congo way pass for EM it talks say at least 16 people them they don't deny the different chair the way they don't give them for inside governor work. Now, so they don't talk, say they want be only senator them. So one of the people them, where it inside the palava, now from V.E. Mukete, where he says it denies say no go be head boy for Cantel. We get other people them, like Rene, we get other people them, like Abdullah, we get even other people them, where they did for on top chair, where they be enter for Senate. So 16 of them, they don't deny, they chair them, they say they could remain like senator them. So tomorrow as well I talk, we go enter inside this thing proper with the other image with the wait time for that side so for Yawende. So as I talk for now, con the people them principal for that side so for St. Bede's College Ashinkong. Toriwe enter for we here, now so they don't left that principal, Reverend Father Nibam. Sabi say we don't talk since palava that principal with the TV for Monday. They say they don't levy this early morning time, but we never sabi whether money be passed for under or money no be passed. The only Tori na say waiting, they don't left the principal for St. Bede's College for Ashinkong for that side so for Beno for Northwest region. Make we enter now so for Toriwe newspaper then talk this afternoon. Sabi say they be day 2 for break. They don't turn back after the long holiday. Make we enter for the Horizon where it day for outside. The Horizon it talk na chapter for waiting, chapter for Northwest and Southwest. The tell we say waiting Catholic Church. Now way day so they don't see and like people then way they put them up inside this palava for Northwest and Southwest. So for inside the Horizon, you go read another story where they tell we as we 2 gendarme people them sleep straight for Northwest, and for that side so for Southwest now another teacher again where they don't kill him. Which teacher they kill him? The Horizon it get that answer as we so for inside chapter for Northwest and Southwest. Horizon, editor we say waiting, Kamamburu people them, they the Bahat people them for that side so for Northwest according to way the Horizon it carry for a strong number this morning time. We enter for inside the post, we dey for outside the guidance post, we dey for outside country people them. The guidance post we dey for outside this sometime. Strong number for before guidance post. They say priest, yes, father, it dey so they don't tiffy, and they talk everything. Make the lock St. Beat College for that side, so for Ashin Kong. Well, like the strong number that for the post this sometime. As Sabi say by tomorrow, the post or the guidance post, it go change that one for talk say they so father, it don't be a free man. So for inside the guidance post, they tell we as we Torin, Percy way iki GBHS Kosala discipline master. That Tori, it don't be na palava for Soyam. Na for Sika why that way they kill that discipline master for that side. So for GBHS Kosala for Sika palava Soya. So for inside the same guidance post, inside Senate, they say after we SDF senator he talk. Now so to one time Mfonvi Imukete and 3 other people them they don't talk say no, we no go be board chair again for company for our side. We want be na only senator. It means say they go concentrate only for one place. This one too they come where they tell we say CDC it don't lose 500 million francs. Now for Sika waiting for Sika attack where Amber Boy they be make on top their motor. Other story them the day where they post the guidance post where they for our side a carry as we even tell we Palabak International Crisis Group where it talks everything Catholic Church na them they fit put up inside this Palabak for Northwest and Southwest. The Star newspaper says it dey for outside this sometime con the people them inside the Star. They tell we say waiting strong number. Nkunkuma Idongi commandeer for Prime Minister Musonge and bilingualism peoples say me the worker for all the region them for inside country. Sabi say the first place where they land it be there for that side so for Southwest. Now me say Oga Mafane Musonge and it come be them for bilingualism and multiculturalism. They get for Tonton all the region them for here wait the pass. Palava for corruption too 1517 na the number that where if any man is the one make you magu he want knock you stick one time call president for anti-corruption people them where they call it say Father Masigams now so too he go come for the place for duty we get for do inside the statue you feel reach order to read them where it talk as way people them they don't start attack na inside church a Catholic church after with the thief father for that side so for Northwest. The Star he get order to read them for on top his skin. Newswatch he did too for outside today call the people them. Newswatch he did for outside this time. Strong number for inside Newswatch where he did for outside this time as a waiting on top Newswatch he tell you say waiting. Palava Percy way sabi better work for inside book na Madam Nalova Lyonga, new minister for Palava for secondary education. They tell you say they appointed the Gi sote now people them for that side so for Southwest they is also glad particularly one them for inside Faco division. Newswatch too he carry Torim where he tell you say waiting say SDF he don't deny say he no go join for one place with Kamto for say me they fight Nkunkumam for 2018 vote. Inside the Newswatch, if you read other small to read them, where it dey for outside for this time. We enter for the Sun newspaper too, a day for outside. The Sun newspaper for outside this time, it tell you say waiting. Another week for where people they don't die, one the way they don't thief them, and how the way they also bomb them. It tell you the whole story, who side they don't kill, who side they don't thief people them, and who side they don't burn house them again. So for inside the Sun, you go read story where they talk. Palava this discipline master for GBHS Kosala we die. They talk saying a palava for Soya where he enter so for inside the one. This one to the come where they tell we say Prime Minister or former Prime Minister Musonge he cried na for Sika way he cry na just for enter for inside the Sun way they for outside the Sun too he tell we as we SDF they don't show their man where he go drag rope Kunkuma for time for vote for 2018 president election for inside we country. Other story the day for inside the Sun way day for outside. Last story we'll meet up on for today. Now the Voice newspaper where it day for outside. inside the Voice newspaper for outside today. It tell we say waiting, say soldier people, they don't start turn back, they don't start fear, run turn back. For Sika say waiting, Bello, it don't turn a place we gone, it the hala plenty. This one now for chapter for Norwest and Southwest. So for inside the Sun or inside the Voice newspaper, other small to read the day where it concern United States the ambassador, where he make waka for that side so for Norwest, and even Palava Fadam where the Tiffy for that side so for Norwest. Now some of the Tory than that with other one the way they for inside the Voice newspaper where it they for outside. Country people them, now so we see country for this afternoon. But before we go, we get some photo for Pekin where it don't lose. Make we try for show now the photo now the young boy that this petit frère or this small Pekin. They call in a Perry Fate. Now if you name that Perry Fate, no na Perry, Perry Fate. Now he name that and he get 13 years. They say this boy he come up for their house and he be the go school. For number 26 day for inside number 4 moon around that kind of 7:30 for morning time, and since we come up for house he never turned back again for their family compound way dinner for that side so for Bonaberi. The same time way he be come up for house he be wear some sweater where he get red color and some small clothes for his skin. They say this petit frame or Perry Fate, na name that Perry Fate, he dey talk fine for English. It means say na English man wey dey talk, he dey talk French, but he dey talk English. Fine. So now Oga Fomengu Edward, he dey beg any person wey don't see this speaking. Perry Fate, make a call this thing number them 677-419-430 671-893-833, or he meet up bring it for Equinox Tory House for this side so for Bonakanwa. Make we take and two for inside Emmanuel Macron country talk him. Monsieur Fomengu Edward annonce la disparition de son fils, le nommé Perry Fate, âgé de 13 ans. Le jeune gars serait sorti de la maison pour le rendre à l'école le jeudi 26 avril 2018 aux environs de 7h30 et depuis lors, il n'est pas retourné au domicile familial 6 à Bonaberry. Lors de sa disparition, il était vêtu d'une pullover de couleur rouge et surtout d'une sloute. Le jeune Perry Fate s'exprime très bien en anglais. Monsieur Fomengu Edward prie toute personne qui le reconnaît ou qui le berger de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 677 419 430 671 893 833 ou se rapprocher de la radio Equinox 6 à Bonakanwa. So, now so we see country for this half time. Sabi say plenty thing the day for inside our port where we so come. Fire away cash for that side for mile 4 Bonadikombo, plus fire 2 cash for that side so for market for Ezeka, all that one then day for inside our port. For some time we go turn back for inside that palava in the proper, plus chapter 2 for senator. If you do on top table, chop fine, bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time, make una hold am tight.